Hey guys, what's up? We're on the delivery trail. We're here in Constant Spring. We're at the Constant Spring police station. We're making a delivery. And you guys are getting to see us make a delivery. As you know, we are a shipping company that allows you to ship company. We get them delivered here to your doorstep in Jamaica. Or we get them delivered to you at work. Alright? One for all the police. How are you, man? You know, alright, so don't put her on the video. Don't put her on the video. Don't put her on the video. Don't do that. Still want to talk to her. Don't put her on the video, but we'll still talk to her. Show his picture. Alright. Big up yourself, Mr. Regular. I'm here for the public. Thank you so much for choosing us.
My family, because you know my mother died. Alright,
we're not keeping her anymore. I want to tell you guys, there's a link. Click on the link somewhere down here. Click on the link, join us today, or look in the description box. Click on the link, join us today. If you are in the police force, if you're in the army, if you are a firefighter, if you are a warder, you are going to get a special discount from us. Every time you ship, you get a special discount. Alright? So go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Happy to ship and serve you. Alright? And big up all of the civil servants in Jamaica. Love you. Here, pick up with yourself. Later. So you ship?